In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Zoho CRM. Making sure your CRM is in a language you're comfortable with can truly enhance your user experience and efficiency. So, let's dive right in and make those adjustments together. First things first, you want to go ahead and log into your Zoho CRM account. If you haven't done this already, take a moment to enter your credentials, then press that Login button. Once you're in, head to the lower left corner of the screen. This is where you'll spot your profile picture, or just your initials if you haven't uploaded a picture yet. Clicking on your profile picture will present you with a few options. Here, you'll want to select My Account or My Profile, depending on what your system shows. This will guide you to the area where you can fine-tune settings related to your account, including the language preferences. Once you're in the My Account section, your next step is to locate the language and region settings. Do keep in mind that in some versions, this might appear as Personal Settings, so don't be confused if you see that label instead. Now what you need to do is find the link next to the language field. It might be labeled as Edit or Change, depending on your version. Click on that link, and this will bring up a list of available languages for you to choose from. In front of you, you'll now see a drop-down menu with a variety of languages. Whether you're looking to switch to English, Spanish, Filipino, Japanese, or any other language that makes you more comfortable, this is where you'll make that choice. Simply click your desired language to select it. Don't forget this crucial step. Make sure to press Save or Update to ensure your preference is locked in. We certainly don't want all your efforts to go to waste by missing this step. With your new language selected, navigate back to the Zoho CRM interface. It's important to refresh the page to see changes take effect. You can do this simply by hitting the refresh button on your browser, or, if you prefer, logging out of your account and then logging back in again. Once refreshed, you'll notice that the interface has switched to your selected language, making your CRM experience both smoother and more accessible. That's all there is to it. You've just successfully changed your language settings in Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you should now find it much easier to navigate and manage your CRM tasks in a language that is most familiar to you. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.